Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where I show you how to dominate in the crypto markets. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the Verasity VRA token and what this project is actually accomplishing, because they are solving a multi-billion-dollar problem in the real world, and we're going to be discussing what that is in this video. So make sure that you stick with me until the very end. You hit the like button, you leave a comment down below, you hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to Crypto Empire, and make sure all notifications are turned on as well. And let the gains be with you. So starting out, let's take a look at Verasity on CoinGecko. We can see we are currently ranked number 262 in the market cap with a $218 million market cap. And now I'll be explaining why I think this is low compared to where it is going in the future and why it has so much potential, but only $218 million. And this project is solving a multi-billion-dollar issue in the video advertising industry, right? A lot of money is going to waste because there are fake views and there are bots out there that are boosting ad metrics, but it's actually all artificial. So a lot of money is being wasted by big companies running advertising. So this market cap is really low because it's solving a multi-billion-dollar problem, but it's currently trading at 3.3 cents. And we have a circulating supply of 6.5 billion VRA with a max supply of 10.3 billion VRA. So a lot will be, about 4 billion VRA will be released in the coming years. And we can see down here a little bit about what Verasity is briefly. So Veracity's mission is to significantly increase advertising revenues for video publishers on any video platform through its rewarded player and ad stack utilizing its patented protocol layer on the blockchain Proof of View. So Proof of View is the only protocol layer patented technology for the blockchain. It is a US patent. They are working to get their global worldwide patent as we speak. And if you do want to get your hands on some VRA, the most common market it's traded on is the KuCoin exchange. We can see 66% of the overall volume of all VRA is on KuCoin. All right, so that's where I did get my VRA. I am personally invested in this project. And now moving on, let's take a look at the website. So what Verasity is, they are building an ecosystem of their own in the esports and video entertainment industry. They have their own wallet, they have their own video streaming platform called Verasity.tv, and you can also stake your VRA. So the big issue that Verasity is solving with their Proof of View patented technology is the fact that a large number of views on video entertainment platforms such as YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo, which Verasity is already partnered with and their technology is ready to be integrated into. But a big problem on these platforms is fake views and artificial ad metrics because of these bots and fake views. So this is a Forbes article from 2020, and it's talking about the cost performance paradox of modern digital marketing. And just to basically summarize what this is saying is that essentially big brands spend billions of dollars in digital marketing, about $157 billion in the US, $350 billion globally on digital advertising through big media agencies. And a lot of this money is being wasted in the process. So a lot of it goes to the people hosting the ads. Like if you want to spend money on Facebook to run ads, Facebook will take a large cut of that. So every platform that you run ads on is going to be taking a large cut no matter what. About 50% of revenue goes towards that, which is crazy. But another big waste of this money is in the form of fraud, bots and fake users on these platforms. Because think about it for a second. If you pay for an ad and then a bot clicks on the video and it counts as a view and your ad gets shown to that bot, it's really a waste. It's just money thrown down the drain. It's a waste of an ad because the bot will not purchase that product or service or even look into it further to add you into the pipeline as a lead. So a lot of money is being wasted here. This is a multi-billion-dollar problem, and Veracity's Proof of View technology is nipping this problem at the bud because they're going to be able to detect and verify on the blockchain whether a view is real or fake. So this is going to significantly increase the revenues of all these companies running their ads on these video platforms, and it's also going to make social metrics way more accurate because imagine you are a big company and you go to an influencer and you pay them money to promote your product because this influencer has 1 million followers. But what the influencer didn't tell you is that they bought a bunch of their followers. So yes, they're promoting it to their 1 million follower base, but they only have 100,000 real followers. So you're not getting what was advertised, right? Your money for marketing is really going to waste because you're paying for fake views. So this problem needs to be solved, and Veracity's technology is actually solving it with their patent. But it doesn't end there. Verasity is doing a lot more than just making views verifiable on the blockchain. They also have their own wallet called the Verawallet. And the Verawallet allows you to stake your VRA token. This is what the wallet looks like when you're inside. So you can see that you could be earning 25.5% APY annually, and you get rewarded daily. So that means if you're staking 10,000 VRA, which is actually the minimum amount that you can stake, that means you're earning 2,500 per year. So that is a lot of VRA because the price is only 3 cents, and I do see this price appreciating in the future. There is a wait time of 72 hours if you do want to unstake your VRA and then go ahead and maybe sell it or do something else with it. So keep that in mind. So you can go ahead and stake your VRA in the Verawallet. So it's great that Verasity built out their own wallet. You can go ahead and go to verawallet.tv to get your own. I will leave this link down in the description. But what this tells me, when a protocol, when a project goes out of their way to get a patent, they go out of their way to build their own wallet. They build their own video platform called Verasity TV. When a project is doing all of this, it means they are innovating. They are building. This isn't a ghost project. This is being worked on every single day, and it's bringing a real use case to the market to solve a multi-billion-dollar problem. So while a bunch of people get sucked into the meme coins, right, all the ones on the Binance Smart Chain that are trading for fractions of pennies, this gets overlooked. The real projects are getting overlooked right now, which is just an opportunity for you as an investor. And you need to make this decision personally yourself. You need to determine what you want to get out of crypto. Do you want to just risk it and go for the meme coins and hope to hit 100x? Or do you want to be this in the long haul? Because me personally, I don't like to sell my crypto for fiat. I want to keep on building my portfolio. And how you do that is by staking through DeFi, not by going after a meme coin and then selling it after you hit 100x. I'm not knocking that. It's a great way to make money, but a lot of people do end up getting burnt in the end. And I care about my audience. I always have my audience's best interest in mind, and I want to see you guys succeed in the long haul because crypto is here to stay. So it's better that you invest in this fundamentally strong projects that will be here in the years and decades to come. This way you know your money is in a safe place. Obviously, everything is high risk right now. We're so early. But you would rather, you're safer if you put your money into a project that is building a real product to the market, that is solving a multi-billion-dollar problem in the real world. So keep that in mind as a cryptocurrency trader, investor, whatever you are. I'm not sure your situation, right? I'm just a guy talking to you on camera right now. But keep that in mind, guys. You want to invest in the fundamentally strong projects that are solving real-world problems. So Verasity also has their own video hosting platform called Verasity.tv. And now this is really, really awesome because it allows you to essentially post content and you get rewarded in VRA for posting content. And it also rewards the watchers, the people who are watching the content. You're also rewarded in VRA just for watching content on this platform. So it's rewarding both content creators and content consumers alike because let's be real for a second. Attention, your attention, my attention, it is the most valuable form of currency there is. Attention is what these brands are paying for when they run their digital ads on these video platforms. You're paying, cost per click is you're paying for attention. So the fact that now viewers are being rewarded for their attention just by watching content is really a step in the right direction overall. So very awesome that Verasity has their own platform called Verasity.tv. They also have what's called Esportsfightclub.com. Now this is Veracity's in-house platform that they use to host esports gaming tournaments. And they are using this also to test all of their technology before it is rolled out on all the main video platforms that we have nowadays, such as YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo, etc. They're already partnered with these platforms. But Esports Fight Club is really refining this technology with a very large number of users, right? They're getting millions and millions of people to watch these tournaments. All the gamers who are playing in these tournaments are being rewarded in VRA. Watchers are being rewarded in VRA. And it's really overall awesome that they are developing this platform because this is scaling the esports industry. In the future, every single gaming tournament will be held on a platform such as this, and users will be rewarded, or watchers, consumers will be rewarded just for putting their time and attention into watching these gamers go at it. in the esports space, and the actual players of the games will be rewarded in VRA. So what this means is that VRA will constantly get bought from the open market and rewarded to these players. Because I should have mentioned this before when I was talking about staking, but for staking, the Verasity team actually goes to the open market and purchases VRA tokens to reward stakers. And the same thing goes with these rewards for just posting content, for entering into, tournaments, for watching tournaments. You get rewarded in VRA. All this VRA is bought on the open market and distributed by the team to everybody. So a lot of buying pressure will be on the market, especially when these platforms continue to get adopted. Expect very large increases or supply shocks when this happens. And another thing that I forgot to mention talking about the Verawallet is that right through the Verawallet, you can attach your bank card and you can purchase VRA tokens with your fiat money in your bank account. So you don't need to use the Qcoin exchange or an exchange to buy your VRA. You can literally use the money in your bank account right now to get your VRA. So again, when you see a project developing all these avenues and all these streams and all these advancements and innovations, that's when you know that this is a legit project that you should have your eyes on. So overall, VRA has a lot going for it, starting from their proof of view verifiable technology to make sure that advertisers' ad money will be put to good use and not thrown down the drain. And then they have their own video platform with Verasity.tv and Esportsfightclub. And if we take a look at the roadmap, we can see down here Q4 of 2021, NFTs will be coming soon. This is going to be absolutely huge in the esports space with their NFTs, because it's going to come into the forms of, if you have an awesome epic game clip in a tournament, let's say you clutch and you win a tournament, you'll be able to record that game clip and make it an NFT and then go ahead and sell it in the market. So expect, big time gamers to make their clips, their best clips into NFTs, sell those. Weapons in game will be NFTs. So NFTs are going to be huge in esports, and Verasity is going to be at the forefront of delivering this to the people. So this needs to be on your radar. So with all this being said, this coin has a lot of potential. Let's take a look at what's happening in the price charts and see what's going on. Maybe we can find an opportunity for an entry. So we're looking at Verasity versus the US dollar, USDT, on the Qcoin exchange right now. And we can see that we are in a nice descending channel here. You can call this a flag, but this is looking good because we have this demand zone down here, this drop base rally reversal demand zone from 2.9 cents down to 2.3 cents. If we do see a drop down into this area again, this is where I would be looking for an entry into a position. So with the Fibonacci, we can see that so far we have retraced as much as 61.8%, right? We tapped the golden pocket over here during yesterday's downwards market move. So yeah, we tapped the 61.8. What I would be looking for is a move down to the 78.6 here at the 2.8 cents. This would be a very strong entry if you can catch a VRA under 3 cents, because I'm expecting very, very big upswings in the market. So also I need to mention that we did retrace as well to the golden pocket. If we take this low up to the high, we can see that on our move upwards, right? So we had a strong drop down, and then we retraced right here to the golden pocket. So no surprise there. Price loves to use the Fibonacci ratios and sequences as points on the chart, as areas of support and resistance on the chart. So no surprise there. So that's why I'm going to be waiting for the 78.6 to enter into a position here with VRA. I think this is going to be a great entry in the future. In the short term, where we might go, we have the all-time high at 5.6 cents. All right, by the way, guys, this coin is up thousands of percent so far this year. And the reason I'm bringing it to you today is because I don't think it's finished. If you did get in VRA early and you're up big already, congratulations to you. That is awesome. We're all about making gains, but we're also about compounding your gains and making even more. And I don't think VRA is finished. Now, in the short term, when we do break out of this kind of sideways range we're trading in, the first levels we're going to be looking at are the 7.6 cents, then the 8.8 cents, and then 10.8 cents. But this is short term. This is in the coming weeks to months. By the end of this bull run, if you guys want to know my price prediction is at least $1 for VRA. I see this coin. I think it has the potential to hit $1, possibly even higher, depending on how well this technology is adopted by the big video streaming platforms. So Verasity is aiming to tackle the problem of verifying views on the blockchain with their patented proof of view technology. I see this technology being integrated on all the major video platforms such as YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo, etc. because advertisers know that people spend days of their lives watching content on these platforms, so they make for a brilliant marketplace to run their ads on. But a lot of this money is going to waste right now, and Verasity is going to solve that problem with their technology. And they're also going to be very big in the esports and video entertainment industries with their own platforms such as Esportsfightclub, Verasity.tv. This project is just getting started, and this is why I think it has a ton of potential and could possibly be even reaching $1 plus by the end of this bull run. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you let me know down in the comment section below. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to Crypto Empire if you are not already subscribed, and make sure all notifications are turned on as well. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and we will see you in the next video.